Welcome to the mathematics in my channel. Today we are going to solve another interesting trigonometric question. The question is, prove that 4 times cosine square of 90 degrees minus 1 times 4 times cosine square of 27 degrees minus 1 times 4 times cosine square of 81 degrees minus 1 times 4 times cosine square of 243 degrees minus 1 is an integer. Okay, how to begin? I am going to start by sine of 3 times x. We know triple angle formula. So this is equal to 3 times sine of x minus 4 times sine to the third power of x. Okay, then we can write here 3 times sine of x minus here 4 times sine of x. Now we have sine square of x, so we can write sine square of x is equal to 1 minus cosine square of x. Okay, then here 3 times sine of x minus 4 times sine of x times 1, so we have minus sine of x, so minus sine of x, but here minus, so minus times minus plus 4 times cosine square of x times sine of x. Then sine of x is a common factor, so if we take sine of x, here we have 4 times cosine square of x minus 1. Now we can isolate the 4 times cosine square of x minus 1. So if we isolated 4 times cosine square of x minus 1, now this is equal to sine of 3 times x over sine of x. Well, now here this is familiar to this term, also this term, also this term, also this term, because instead of x, if we plug in 9 degrees, here we will have this term. Okay, now I am going to plug in, instead of x, if we plug in 9 degrees, so 4 times cosine square of x, sorry, here instead of x we substituted 9 degrees minus 1 is equal to here sine of 3 times 9, so 27 over sine of 9. Then if we plug in 27, so we can write 4 times cosine square of 27 degrees minus 1 is equal to sine of 27 times 3, so 81 over sine of 27. Then 4 times cosine square of 81 minus 1 is equal to sine of 81 times 3, 243 over sine of 81, and then 4 times cosine square of 243 degrees minus 1 is equal to sine of 243 times 3, we know 729 over sine of 243 degrees. Well, now in the question we have a product of these 4 functions, these 4 terms. So here now we can take the product. So now we can write, if we multiply these terms, 4 times cosine square of 9 minus 1, 4 times cosine square of 27 minus 1 times 4 times cosine square of 81 minus 1, 4 times cosine square of 243 minus 1, and now this is equal to, I write here in this place, product of these terms. So we can write sine of 27 over sine of 9 times sine of 81 over sine of 27 times sine of 243 over sine of 81 times sine of, sorry, here sine of 729 over sine of 243. Okay, now here this term get cancelled, also this term cancel, also this term cancel, and now we have sine of 729. Now we can write here this is equal to 360 times 2 plus 9 degrees over sine of 9. Now we know this is equal to sine of 9, sine of 9 over sine of 9. Now this term also get cancelled and this is equal to 1. Okay, now we know 1 is an integer. Okay, this is the answer. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.